best midsize car for 2025 to 2024 Nissan Altima. The 2024 Nissan Altima has been named the best midsize car for 2025, highlighting its impressive blend of style, performance, and advanced technology. The latest model continues to set a high standard in the midsize sedan category, offering a well-rounded package that appeals to a broad range of drivers. Sophisticated design and comfortable interior. The 2024 Altima features a refined and modern design, characterized by its sleek lines, distinctive V-motion grille, and dynamic LED headlights. The sedan's aerodynamic profile not only enhances its visual appeal but also contributes to its overall efficiency. Inside, the Altima offers a spacious and upscale cabin, featuring premium materials and a thoughtfully designed layout. Standard equipment includes an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, providing seamless connectivity and a user-friendly interface. Powerful performance and fuel efficiency. The 2024 Altima offers two engine options to suit different driving preferences. The base model is powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine that produces 188 horsepower and 180 lb-ft of torque, delivering a balanced combination of power and fuel efficiency. For those seeking a more spirited driving experience, the Altima SR and Platinum trims feature a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, generating 248 horsepower and 273 lb-ft of torque. Both engines are paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, providing a smooth and responsive driving experience. Advanced technology and safety features. Nissan's commitment to technology and safety is evident in the 2024 Altima. Standard safety features include Nissan Safety Shield 360, which encompasses automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. Higher trims offer additional enhancements, such as a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a premium Bose audio system, and advanced driver assistance features. These technologies not only enhance the driving experience but also contribute to a high level of safety and convenience. Conclusion. The 2024 Nissan Altima stands out as the best midsize car for 2025 due to its sophisticated design, versatile performance, and advanced technology. Its combination of style, comfort, and innovation makes it a top choice for drivers seeking a well-rounded and modern midsize sedan.